Hello, okay, good morning everyone. So today I have to make this video for explanation the last quiz for you about Pythagoras and surface area and volume. Yeah, first of all, at least you finished already with the quiz. And hopefully you're satisfied with whatever the results. And let's move on. Just see this explanation first. So we start from number one. It is the pyramid. From pyramid, we need to find the EF, PC, surface area, and volume. EF here, TE is here, 15, and then we have also TF is 17. With Pythagoras theorem, it can perform this is for the hypotenuse. This is the hypotenuse. So 17 minus 15 equal to 8 here. So 17 square minus 15 square, and then we square root it equal to 8. So AF is 8. So how about AP? AP is twice from EF. So it becomes 16. And then how about the surface area from PABCD? Surface area, we need to find the base area and the lateral area. The base area here I write it as ABCD. ABCD. So we have to find this part first. 16 from 16. So if you can find AF, so you will find AP. If you can find AP, you can find the surface area. So 16 times 16 is 256. And then how about the lateral area? You can see from this triangle. So they have 4 triangles with the same size. They have 4 triangles with the same size. 17 as the height and 16 as the base side. Yeah. So 17 times 16 per 2. This is the formula for triangle. And then I multiplied by 4 because there is 4 triangle. I put it together. So we can simplify 2 with 4. Easily to count. So 2. 17 plus 8 times 16 times 2 is 544. So the surface area is, we just need to add it, 800. How about the volume? Volume is base area times height divided by 3. Okay, so here 15 as simplified with 3, so become 5 here. So like 256 times 5 equal to 1280. So that is for number 1. Most of you are correct here. Move to number 2. On the previous handout, we already tried to do this kind of question. Car type has a radius 14 inch. The car tires have been running and rotating 77 times. And then we have to determine the diameter, circumference, and the distance. For the diameter, we just need to multiply it by 2 because diameter is twice from the radius. The circumference, 2 pi r. Why I use pi is 22/7 because the radius multiply for 7. So this principle that you have to know. There is like 3.14 and there is 22/7. The value is almost the same, but there is different function for that. When the number is decimal or it's not multiple of 7, we can use 3.14. And if the number multiplied of 7, so like 14, 21, or maybe 10.5, that we can divide it by 7, I suggest you to use 22/7. Yeah, that's why we try to avoid of using calculator. So here is 88. Yeah. So from your work, I still correct it if you answer like 87 point something that you use this 3.14. But the problem is I don't know why. I already mentioned here, but most of you still did. Next, how about the distance? So the distance is the circumference times how many times they are rotated. So turning 6,776 inches. Most of you also correct in this part. Okay, number 2, number 1, most of you are correct. We move to number 3. This is about the degree on an angle from the circle. I have a clue here already inscribed about inscribed angle and central angle. And central angle is twice from inscribed angle. So if you see the previous handout, you can find AOB is the central angle from this AP arch. Jadi dari busur AB ini yang ke titik pusat, sudutnya akan 2 kalinya yang ke sana. So the problem is, as long as the arch is the same, which is I have this line maybe. So this part is also 55. It's also 55. Wherever they go will be 55. And the central angle 110. If you pay attention to the angle this one, it will be clear. Next, we move to number 4. This is the picture and they're asking about EFH and EFO. EFH and EOH. EOH. Okay. Okay. I just realized that there is a misdrawing here. So yeah, we can see from EGH is 53. So EF8 is 53. And actually, I need the angle from E and this side and this 8. So 106 here. How we can get 106? Because that is the central angle from 53. So should be this one on the middle. This is the in the center. So this is the central angle that I need. So I misdraw it for that one. So supposed to be is this 53. So the central angle is 106. Okay then, number 5. Number 5, still about angle. And they're asking about GPE. GPE. So GPE is about how to name the angle, yeah. Hopefully you already understand this one. So supposed to be used to start from grade 7. You already know how to name the angle. So GPE is here. So 5x minus 10. How we can find h? GPE is the central angle from DFE. So GPE is twice from GPE. I write it here. So GPE I can substitute into 5x minus 10 and the degree is 140 because twice from 70. Then I just need to move minus 10 into plus 10 here. So 5x equal to 150 and x equal to 150 divided by 5. So that is 30. So GPE is 140. No need to find x. Just multiply from 70. And then x is 30. I thought this is kind of easy for you. Next, number 6. We have prism here. So how to find the height from the prism? But I found some of you still confused which one is the base and which one is the height. So this area is for the base. Or maybe this area for the base and this area for the top. And which one is the height? Is this part. Jadi yang namanya alas sama tutup itu dia sejajar. Nah, yang menghadap sisi sejajar itu sebagai tingginya. So that I need is this length or this length or this length. Same. How to find height from volume per base area? Be careful, base area, not only base side, different, yeah. This is base side and this is base area. So 200 divided by 4 times 5 divided by 2. Remember, this is triangle. The formula is base and height divided by 2. Because some of you, I found that they are not divided by 2. And then some of you, they use 3 here because they think that is a pyramid. So that is Different with pyramid. Prism is no need to divide it by 3. So 200 divided by 20 per 2 is 10. So 200. This is miscount. So 200 divided by 10 is 20. Okay, clear? We move to number 7. Again, this is about prism. This is for A and this is for B. Volume and surface area. Volume. Volume from prism. Volume from prism is base area and height. Base area, because this is triangle, 4 times 3 divided by 2. Because here is right angle. So this is the height. You can use this one for height or this one for height. So at least you can find the volume. And this one for the height. Yeah. No need to divide it by 3 because this is prism. It's not pyramid. And then how about the surface area? Surface area is you need to count all the sides. At least we already find here 6. And then the other side also 6. This one. How about the lateral area? The lateral area, I can say that if you open it, there are become one longer rectangle, which is the width is 7 and the length is 3, 4, and this part. So the thing that you have to do is how to find this one, find this side. How? Use the Pythagoras. 3 square plus 4 square equal to 5. Or if you already know about the triple Pythagoras, you can answer directly. If you have 3, 4, so here must be 5. If you have here 6, here is 8, here is 10. So this is the ratio 3, 4, 5. You can remember it. You can memorize this triple Pythagoras. So 4 plus 3 plus 5, so it's become the length. And this one from the weight, the lateral area. So 7 times 12, so 84. So total is 96. Or if you don't want to do like this, you can find the area one by one. Like this part first, 4 times 7, and then this part is 3 times 7, and then the one on the bottom is 5 times 7, and the final answer is the same. Okay, so that is how to find the surface area and the volume. We move to number 8, another shape. Now we choose sphere. The formula is already mentioned on the previous handout. Volume is 4 per 3 pi r cubic. 4 per 3 pi 22 per 7. R is 17. From where? Here. R. I can simplify this one. 7 with 14 become 2. And then just need to multiply all the thing here. Divided by 3 equal to this one. Most of you are correct. Only some of you still use 3.14. Surface area 4 pi r square. Just need to put in the number and that's it. But again, the thing is most of you still use 3.14. And just remind you to remember that there is two purpose from pi, and that is you cannot use all the time 3.14. If you use 3.14 on the amount multiple choice, you will not find the answer. You cannot just round it up all the time. Yeah, you have to follow the rule on the question because the question will not follow you. You are the people, you are the operator. Let this come back to you. Whatever you want to do, go ahead. Number 9. This is about the diagonal. We have to find AG. We have to find AG. How to find it? AP is 12, BC is 9, and CG is 8. This one is right triangle. So this is the hypotenuse. 12 squared plus 9 squared, it is 15. If you know about the triple Pythagoras, like now the previous number, so 3, 12, 15. So 3, 4, 5, 3 times 3, 4 times 3, so here 5 times 3, 15. That's it. Next, 15, 8, so here should be 17. Normal step, 15 squared plus 8 squared will be equal to 15. But if you know about the triple Pythagoras, you can go directly 15, 8, oh, here is 17. That's it. Next, number 10, the last number. We have cone. I already put the formula for there because I think this is the most hard part, but all of you can do it, almost most of you can do it. Only small mistake on it. So calculate the surface area only from the cone with the radius is 21 and the slant length is 40. Slant length is the one here, S. If in bahasa they call it as garis pelukis. Ya, so ini garis pelukisnya. But S in garis pelukis itu sebenarnya slant line in English. They adapt from English version. How to do that? The surface area means so the base area, which is that is a circle, and this cover of the lateral area. The circle PR square, and the cover on the lateral area is PRS. So you just need to calculate it one by one. You can do it like that. So 22 per 7, R is 21, and S is 40 from that one. Then pi R square. You need to calculate 2,640 and 1,386. So it is equal to 4,026. Yeah. So no need to use any Pythagoras over there because we do not need to find the volume. If you want to combine this formula can be, you can write it like this. So surface area is R R plus S. You can take out P and R over here. So inside the bracket is R plus S, and the result will be the same. Yeah, if the number is if the value is on the about comma, it must be you use 3.14 as pi. Okay, for now, you can say I can use calculator or something, but in the future, when you are in grade 9, when they have a test from national, you cannot do that because you will not meet 3.14 over there. They will use 22/7 as pi when the r and the number can be divided by 7 or multiple of 7. Okay, I think that's all from me for the explanation for this quiz. So some of you that your score is under the limit, I need you to work on this exercise again. You just need to write it on the piece of paper about how to do that question and then take picture and send it back to me. Okay, I think that's all from me for the explanation in this quiz. I just make this video so for the next meeting I will take the time to review this part. So we will do next material for the next meeting. And sorry to take your time here. Hopefully this is useful for you. You can check your mistake and you can learn by your mistake. Okay, see you all guys. Bye. Thank you. Stay healthy at home.